Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 31. October. I wandered through the orchard, October sunlight warm but soft, leaves crisp beneath my boots, gold and red drifting slowly to the ground. The air smelled of ripening apples and smoky chimneys, a mix of harvest and endings. Children ran ahead, laughing, tossing leaves like confetti, while old dogs padded lazily beside me. I bent to pick a fallen apple, tasting sweetness tinged with the first chill of frost. Across the hills, fields lay half bare, barns leaning against the sky, shadows long and gentle. Every step reminded me that change is patient. Summer fades, autumn deepens, winter waits, but each season leaves its own quiet gift. By evening, the sun dipped low, painting the horizon with amber and purple, and I carried the soft melancholy and warmth of October inside me. A reminder that life is always moving, but beauty can linger in the turning of leaves. Now listen to the poem. October sunlight, soft and warm, leaves drift down, the orchard's charm. Apples ripe, smoke drifts high, children laugh, dogs wander by. Fields half bare, barns lean slow. Shadows stretch, horizons glow. Frost tinges sweetness, steps remind, seasons shift, leaving gifts behind. Summer fades, autumn deepens near, winter waits, patient, clear. Sun dips low in amber skies. Soft melancholy fills my eyes. Life moves on, leaves turn and fall, beauty lingers, holding all.